Yukta, basically, like I'll come to the next thing. The in influencer marketing is basically it started out and has been more of a B2C kind of thing, like B2C businesses supporting. But do you think there's a scope of influencer marketing in there are so many SaaS products in the market now and in B2B? So is there a scope for it, influencer marketing for these SaaS companies?
Yeah, actually, I'll be quite honest. If you need the answer in word, yes, there is a lot of scope. When we use the word influencer marketing, no, there are lots of aspects covered, and especially regarding the B2B companies for the SaaS products. Basically, one thing that I would put out regarding the scope is influencer marketing regarding the B2B companies when selling of a SaaS product has to be quite flexible, and it has to be like generic sort of way, but it has to be like not very pushy and sending out a message, I guess. For example, I'll give you an example supporting my statement. Microsoft had collaborated with National Geographic to put out their message about the International Women's Day, and that was done in such a great way, and it was covered in many countries. A lot of people had actually joined that campaign that was going on around, and it got millions of likes and thousands of uploads. So when it comes to putting out a message through the influencer marketing campaign by the B2B companies, it can be actually done, but it has to be done in more of a flexible and free sort of way. So the scope is wide. The scope is really wide because when people do the influencer marketing, they're not buying the products, they are buying the emotions, because these influencers connect with the emotions of these people. In the everyday lives, you don't know how these influencers are actually playing a huge role. So yes, the B2B companies and the B2C companies has been quite like famous with this, but the B2B companies can also be like great with influencer marketing.
That's great. I feel it depends on how it is used. So if you have a influencer who is talked about a lot of technical stuff, some stuff like productivity apps and all, so he can be tied up for a certain function, like he handles his marketing or sales with a certain software. So you are showcasing that. Like I think Microsoft had done a campaign with a lot of these. Uh, I would say micro influencers. They were not celebrities per se. They were like
Mhm.
somebody was a fashion designer, somebody was uh, I think makeup artist or some because how they were using that particular technology of that particular Microsoft, like maybe in their hardware or software or something, and they were showcasing like how their work was becoming easier. So that experience of that particular person. So whatever is the B2B software, uh, you can showcase it through the influencer. In obviously you have to understand that what where is his audience. Is this this kind of technical content of productivity or whatever is your domain, that audience he or she is reaching out to, and then how you can use it, like how they are using it in their lives. Because with most influencer campaigns, there's like if they have used it, they are recommending it. It is like a word of mouth kind of thing that is happening to them at an enhanced level.
Mhm.
So that's where I feel in B2B there is a scope in every product and service actually.
Yeah, I quite agree with your point, because these influencers, they are actually telling about something and including whatever the product of the or the service of the company, and telling how they are actually getting influenced themselves or using that particular company or service in that everyday lives. And of course, we as the followers or the people who are getting influenced by this particular influencer will want to use, because we really admire that influencer. So we would really actually want to go for that one, whatever the product is, a SaaS product. And then yes, B2B company can actually make quite a good use of influencer marketing. And yes, the example you gave about Microsoft, I guess Microsoft does a huge, like, amazing stuff on doing this marketing influencing in a really good way.